everyone, my name is Rhonda Robson and thank you so much for joining me today on my Fluid Art channel. I am a fluid artist in the middle of the United States of America in Sioux City, Iowa. Today we're going to do bloom techniques again. I'm in a series that I am doing for wine glasses. I'm making skins on these tiles that are gloss tiles, and then I peel the skins off and put them on the bottom of a wine glass. So the color that I'm using right now is the Creative Inspirations Violet, and I'm putting that on my pillow paint. And the next color I'm using is Metallic Blue by Artist Loft, and then I'm doing a Liquitex Basic Fluorescent Green. I'm doing a SheleeART Metallics 24 karat gold. I'm doing a Liquitex Basics Fluorescent Yellow, and then the next color is a Arteza Pearl Magenta, and whoops, I got it in the paint. That's kind of funny. Oh well. Anyway, I didn't talk about my pillow paint, so let me talk about that. The pillow paint is my Sherwin-Williams Ultra White Semi-Gloss. Okay, so let's get back to the colors. So this is, again, that magenta. And then the last color I am using is Arteza Pearl Raspberry Red. And then what I'm doing is putting also the Gold Interference by Golden. And I really love this Gold Interference colors. Okay, so once you have your colors down, then you're going to want to put your cell activator. So I've been using black as my cell activator for a while, and today I'm using my white. So the key here is to blow down where your cell activator is and then across the colors as they glide across the pillow paint. So the pillow paint creates this like bounce effect that when you blow down and across, it pushes up air pockets and then creating cells, and it's so cool. I'm sorry I don't have my camera to the side so you can see me, but you blow down and across the color paint. So I'm not happy with the fact that there's so much white in the middle here, so I'm going to redo my colors just in the order of the rainbow, right? You got the purple, you got the blue, you've got the green. I put the yellow and the magenta and the red. The magenta and the red, and I put those all in there, and I create a beautiful rainbow effect. So again, back to my skins. So I take the skins and I cut them out, peel them off of the tile, and I'll link how I do it right here, but I peel it off the tile and then I cut it out and put it on the bottom of the wine glasses. All right, so you blow down and out and across the paint again, and as you can see that I am getting some different cells here, but I adhere the paint skins to the glass with the medium, and then from there what I do is I seal it. And the two ways I seal it, of course, are the resin and then the decoupage. Neither one of them is dishwasher safe, so please don't use the dishwasher when you're using those, just hand wash them. So I'm just going to let you watch the rest of this, and I'll meet you at the end when I show you the final results. Okay, so what do you think? Looks pretty cool, huh? All right, so here's the end result. Next to the wine glasses I'm going to use. Here I show you the cutouts and underneath the glasses, and I use my X-Acto knife, or what I call the X-Acto knife. It's a utility knife. These are the products that I use to seal it, and I just want to say thank you. Thanks for joining me. Bye for now. Thanks for joining me today, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and clicking that notification bell. And if you like this video, I bet you're gonna like these as well. Thanks a lot and have a great day. Bye! Bye!